Alright, welcome back to another video, everybody. Taking a look at our part 2 for dividing integers. Very similar concepts to multiplication. Very similar rules. So quick overview: if we are dividing a positive number by another positive number, our quotient will be positive. So for example, if I have 24 dividing 4, gets us 6, and how we can double check: we can take our quotient, multiply it by this term, and if we get the first one, we know we are on track. This next set, it's kind of like a, two with a either or situation. When we're specifically talking about division, we're not necessarily saying the orders the order of the numbers are swapped. More so, it's the sign, and I don't want that to be confusing. So if it's positive or negative and positive, it won't change the outcome. However, if we mix up the numbers, we will get a very, very different answer. So if I have a positive divided by a negative number, this will be negative, and miswrote that. If I divide a negative number by a positive number, my product or my quotient will still be negative. So for example, if I have negative 56 dividing or positive 56 dividing negative 8, I will end up with negative 7. And the way to double check this, negative 7 times negative 8 should get me 56. The last one, if I divide a negative number by a negative number, I will get a positive number. So for example, if I have negative 42 dividing negative 3, I will end up with positive 14. And how I can double check: again, 14 times negative 3 should get me negative 42. So moving down to our number line, two different ways that we can solve division problems. We want to kind of have our starting point, which our first term will be where we start, which is 24 right here, and then I'm dividing by 4. So I will have each of these groups will have, oh, I drew it the other way. Dividing by 6 groups of 4, so we'll have 4. So even though each of these little spots are worth 4, we have 6 groups. We're dividing by 6. Whoops, redid it. I'm dividing by 6. Okay, my pen's not working. 24 divided by 6 gets me 4. So each of these I'm dividing by 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So I will have 6 groups of 4. Another way that we can kind of think of it, back to our number tokens, we would draw out our total amount of tokens. So here I would have 56. So positive, they're all 50, 56 here, and then I'm dividing it by, I have 7 groups of 8. So in this case, I have negative 8 within each group, and then I have 7 groups here. So this is a group of negative 8, this is a group of negative 8, negative 8, negative 8, negative 8, negative 8, negative 8. So I would have, if I wanted to write this out, I would have 56 divided by negative 7, which would be equal to negative 8. And so that's a way to model it as well. So again, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.